Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to bookmark in Safari. To bookmark in Safari, we have few steps for you. Open Safari. Launch the Safari browser on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Navigate to website. Go to the web page you want to bookmark. Tap the Share button. On iPhone or iPad, tap the Share icon, a square with an arrow pointing up at the bottom. Click the Bookmarks button. On Mac, click the Bookmarks menu at the top of Safari. Choose Add Bookmark. Choose Add Bookmark from the list of options. Choose a folder. Rename the bookmark and choose a folder. For example, Favorites, Reading List, or Custom Folder. Tap Save. Press Save on iPhone or iPad, or Add on Mac to store the bookmark. Access your bookmarks. On iPhone or iPad, tap the bookmarks icon in the bottom menu. On Mac, you can click the bookmarks menu or press Command plus Shift B. Then tap on the folder where you save the bookmark, and here you will see your recently saved bookmark. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.